Unleash AI analytics with the perfect MCP, skills, and plugins setup. In this video, you'll learn how to architect an AI analytics setup using MCP skills and plugins and determine which layer to use for live data, repeatable workflows, and team sharing. First, let's define what MCP skills and plugins are. MCP, or Machine Command Processor, is the core engine that processes instructions. Skills are modular tasks the AI can perform. Plugins extend the AI's capabilities by connecting with external tools. MCP is crucial for executing live queries on databases. It directly interacts with data sources, making it integral for real-time analytics. This layer handles the nuts and bolts of your operations. Skills matter when you want repeatable workflows. They encapsulate commonly used actions into reusable units, improving efficiency. For example, a skill might automate data cleaning tasks across datasets. Plugins are ideal for team sharing. They integrate external software and services, allowing your team to access data and tools beyond the core AI system, such as connecting to a CRM or visualization software. Let's set up a sample architecture. Use MCP to connect your AI with a MySQL database. Use commands like connect to database within your MCP interface to establish this link. Next, add a skill for data transformation. Create a skill script, save it as Transform Data PI, and integrate it through your AI's skill management system for automatic execution on new data entries. For plugins, connect to a tool like Tableau for data visualization. Use the plugin interface to add API keys and set retrieval schedules for seamless team access. Here's a real-world example. The MCP queries data from an e-commerce platform, the skill cleans and organizes sales data, and the plugin visualizes monthly sales trends in Tableau, useful across your company. Beware of common pitfalls. Ensure all components are compatible. Check for API rate limits in plugins and version compatibility among MCP and skills to avoid disruptions. Best practices include documenting your setup and regularly updating components. This ensures your AI analytics system remains robust and adaptable to changing needs. In summary, MCP handles live data, skills optimize workflows, and plugins enable team sharing. Thanks for watching. Follow this channel for more AI insights. Subscribe for more AI tech tutorials.